Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Study Object. Today I am going to explain about the Google taxes, which is currently required to be filled up in the YouTube. So now let's move to how to file tax information for YouTube. So go to the AdSense section and then on the Manage Tax Info, click on Add Tax Info. It will ask to log in again just to authenticate. So once authentication is done, so it will ask you whether you are an individual or you are a non-individual or an entity. So you are an individual, so click on next. If you want to know about what is individual account and what is non-individual account, so this is the help section of that. So now click on next. So you should fill you are not a citizen of United States if you are outside of United States, and then you have to fill this form, which is called W8 tax form. So the first type has to be filled for tax treaty. The countries which has tax treaty with the US government. So this form has to fill for individuals. So W-8BEN. Now click on the form, start W8BEN form filling. Now you have to fill few details here, like the name of the individual, and then country of residence. You can select, and then you have to select here tax identification number, which is PAN card in case of India. Select next, and then select next, and then fill the permanent residence address here. Don't tick this box, because this is PO box address. If you have PO box, then only tick this, otherwise don't tick this. Fill the address. If your mailing address permanent address, then select this one, select this box, then go to next section. Okay, now select next. In the next section there is tax treaty. So are you claiming reduced rate of withholding under tax treaty? So if your country is having a tax treaty, select yes, then select the resident, the country of residence, then select services. In the services, select article 7 and paragraph 1, and then 0% reduced treaty rate. Then select as a resident of country region, identify the tax section, then select this motion picture and TV royalty options. Then the next is other copyright royalties, that also you can select the reduced treaty rate. If your country doesn't have a treaty with the US, then you have to fill 30% rate. Then next. So then you can do a document preview. This is a document where all the details will be shown. So this is a preview of the document. So just do a preview, and so just before submitting this form, just do a preview. Okay, this is the preview of the form. Now you can confirm this. If everything is right accordingly, if everything is right, you can confirm this. Then you put your signature and the legal name. This must have to be as per your tax document. You should select if you are doing on your behalf or somebody else is doing on your behalf. Okay, now go to next. Now you have to select whether you are performing these activity like your work in the US or outside of the US. So select no here, and then status, and then go to the next and fill status change affidavit. So you are whether you are providing tax information for the existing payment profile that has previously received payment, or this is a new profile. So based on that, select first or second, then select the box, cross check every detail, and we are ready to submit. So guys, thank you for watching and hope it clarifies all the doubts.